Once there was a young girl named Emma. Emma lived in a small, peaceful village. She loved to read books, write stories, and dream about her future. But life wasn't always easy for her. Emma faced many challenges. She often felt scared of failing, and this fear held her back. One day, Emma's grandmother, who was her biggest inspiration, sat beside her and said, "Emma, life is like a book. Some chapters are happy, some are sad, and some are full of challenges. But no matter what, you must keep turning the pages to see what happens next." Emma thought about these words. She realized she couldn't let her fear stop her from trying. She decided to focus on her dream of becoming a writer. Every morning, she woke up early and practiced writing. She made mistakes, but instead of giving up, she learned from them. One sunny afternoon, Emma saw a flyer in her village. It said, "Storytelling Contest. Share your story with the world." Emma was excited but nervous. What if people don't like my story? She wondered. Her grandmother smiled and said, "Emma, don't let fear write your story. You are the author of your life. Write it with courage." Emma gathered all her courage and entered the contest. On the day of the event, she stood on stage, her hands shaking. But as she began to speak, she remembered her grandmother's words. She shared a story about facing fears and believing in oneself. When she finished, the room was silent for a moment. Then, everyone clapped. Emma's story touched their hearts. She didn't win first place, but something even better happened. People came up to her and said, "Your story inspired me." From that day on, Emma learned an important lesson. Life is full of ups and downs, but if you believe in yourself and keep moving forward, amazing things can happen. Emma's journey didn't end there. She kept writing, sharing her stories, and inspiring others. She accepted her past, handled her present with confidence, and looked at her future with hope. And just like Emma, you can do the same. Remember, mistakes are just part of learning. Keep practicing, keep believing, and never stop turning the pages of your story. Tips for learners. 1. Listen carefully to the story. 2. Write down any new words and learn their meanings. 3. Repeat sentences aloud to practice pronunciation. 4. Think about how this story relates to your life and write your thoughts in simple English. Let's grow together.